Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to reset a Samsung refrigerator after a power outage and clear error screen. So guys, first just simply soft reset the refrigerator by unplugging the fridge or turn off the circuit breaker for 5 to 10 minutes, and this will help out clear temporary system glitches after a power cut. Now, you could also clear the error on the display by pressing and holding the energy saver plus lightning at the same time for 8 seconds, and this should fix the issue. Now, another one is inspect the ice maker fill tube for ice buildup, and you could use a hair dryer on low heat to defrost if needed. Now, guys, if any of these doesn't work, you may need a professional service. So just simply call for Samsung support to fix the issue. There goes, see ya.